Hey everybody, it's your girl Bev, and I'm back with another planner related video. So guys, um, I switched to this planner. I switched the discs out and put the black ones on, and the rose gold that came with this, I put it on my faith planner, which you'll see in my faith video. But I just changed the covers because I always had all these planners in here to begin with, but I was using the Glam Girl cover. So I just switched covers, We're about to be in fall, and I wanted to make my neutral planners my main planners instead of the Glam Girl. I'm still gonna have my Glam Girl behind the scenes, but I just wanted to have a neutral spread. So the books that I've chose is Wild Style, Botanicals, that goes with this planner, but this is the botanical planner, the first one here, the monthly. So the botanicals, and then these came out the bloom box that I just got. I did a video for the of an unboxing. I'll try to leave it in the cards or in the description box. So we're in a new month, so I have to do my monthly spread. Oh. And today is a very special day. Today is the queen, the matriarch of my family, my mother's birthday. So everybody leave a happy birthday wishes down in the comments for my mom. So I'm going to try to put some flowers or something on the borders and build around from there. It's not going to be too much because this is a planner where you can't really put too much stuff on it if you want to be able to use it. It's not enough room. So I'm just going to put a few flowers down. And right here, I think I'm going to put one of these circle flowers because I don't want to go over the 30 and the 31 because it's 2 spots sharing a box this month. Y'all know how it goes. So I usually try to stay away from monochrome spreads, but I just want to use my stuff, y'all. That is so pretty. So my friend Lakeisha Loves to Plan reminded me that this month, August, is wellness month. So I'm going to set intentions to be in touch with my wellness and making sure that I'm catering to myself, mind, body, and spirit. And y'all pray for me on that, and as I pray for you. So, ooh, I hit the thing. I'm so sorry. I think I just want to put this to do on here if I could get it up. disappointment. Okay. So living my best life. I think I want to put a sidebar, but I want it to be like gold or something, not just black. Let me try this one. Yes, this says grow. This is a nice sticker. Fire will make your heart smile. I think I'm gonna overlap that. Yeah, that's a good look. And I'm gonna put the there you go. So I know, oh, here they are. There's that. So yeah, I really am going to focus on making sure I complete my tasks and not let things overwhelm me. So this is the spread for the monthly. I'm just going to go ahead and start on this. So this is very functional. Like that. Never forget your own worth. I know that's right. There you go. You gotta put inspirational stuff in your planner, stuff to motivate you, inspire you, stuff like that. So never forget. And you do whatever you need to do to make you come back to your planner and make it functional and work for you. Don't look at other people planners because they're planning for their needs, you know. And if you're a newbie, it's easy to get caught up like that because you think that your planner has to be a certain way because someone else planner isn't. I mean, a lot of us have gone through that, and it's not true, and it's totally unnecessary. So Remember, make it your own. Make it work for you. Don't worry about what nobody else is doing. Do you. Living my best life. I had to use this stick. As soon as I saw it, I was like, that's it right there. So I'm going to get some florals out of here. I don't even think I'm going to use Wild Style. It's looking like I'm going to put some of these. Okay. Put one here. I thought I ripped the stick. I was about to say, oh no. But I didn't. Thank God for that. Let that overlap. And just a simple little spread to spark joy and happiness for you. That's all you gotta do. And I'm gonna put this down like so. Yeah, I'm gonna try to find a little flower for there. Oh, this is pretty stuff. Okay. There you go. I'm loving it. Be present in all things. Joy is the beauty that blooms from a heart of gratitude. Bloom with grace. Keep growing. That's it right there. Keep growing. I love this. I love it. This is the completed spread, guys. So here's the weekly, and here is the monthly. I have my extra sheet. Y'all want me to pop it back in the planner? Let me pop it back in the planner so y'all can see how it looks. Uh-oh. Okay. Okay, so see, I have my paper there. Here's my monthly spread. And here's my weekly spread. Clean, neat, and have me function through my week. So if you made it this far and you enjoyed my video, please go ahead and give me a big thumbs up. Again, my name is Beverly, and the channel is She Loves Planners and Crafting. And I'll be seeing you guys again soon. Bye.